Right, good morning. It's an absolutely wonderful day here. I'm looking out of my window. It's absolutely gorgeous. Sun's shining, the birds are twittering, the grass is green, and the sky is blue. Anyway, I hope you're going to enjoy this. We're going to look at how to create a spreadsheet of our shopping. It's often very good if we pop down to Waitrose to make a list of what we've bought and list out the prices. So we're going to start by just typing some text. Weekly shopping would be a good start, right? There we go. So there we have weekly shopping. I'm going to make it bold because I just think it looks nicer. So I've made the text bold. Now, underneath we're going to list the items we bought, and the items I bought were some bananas, some apples, some chicken thighs, let's say. Oops. I said chicken things. That's not good, is it? Anyway, chicken thighs and one other thing. Yes, I do love a flapjack. So some flapjacks. Okay. We're then going to list the quantity of each of these items that we purchased and make a column for the total cost of those items. Okay. Before that, of course, we need to know how much they cost. So we're going to put a price in here. Hopefully not too much. Right, so bananas, I bought 6 of those. I bought also 6 apples. I bought 2 packets of chicken thighs. And I bought 5 packets of flapjacks because I'm absolutely obsessed with them. Now, I don't like these numbers here going across to the right, so I'm going to reformat that column. Except my mouse seems to have got stuck. What's happened? Here we go. Okay. So these columns here I want centered. So I'm going to select the columns and I'm going to go to this alignment button and I'm going to center them. And I think you agree, those look good. And I think we're going to just make it look a little neater by having bold headings. Okay. So let's say bananas cost 25 pence each. I'm going to type 0.25, and I'll show you how that works in a minute. Let's say that apples cost 30 pence each, 0.30. Chicken thighs, well, as packets, got to be £2.35. And flapjacks, packet of flapjacks, I don't know, £1.50. How about that? Okay. Right, now, these at the moment don't really look like prices. If we select the whole column and click on this pound sign here, then they look like prices. In fact, they are prices. And then, for the total cost, we are not going to make a calculation and type it in here. We're going to put in a formula. To do that, you press the equals sign, and that tells Google Sheets that this is going to be a formula. And what we want to multiply is cell B4, which is the quantity of bananas, times, and we use the star character for that, times the price. And if we then press enter, it will do the calculation for us. Okay, so we have our bananas total cost is £1.50 because it's 6 times 25 pence. Okay, we can then copy this formula down by grabbing this handle on the right and dragging it down there, and it will do the same. Goodness me, are we spending £7.50 on flapjacks? I don't know. Good Lord. Anyway, we could then, for example, add up and call this a grand total. And this will show you another feature of a spreadsheet, because if I type equals again and then sum with an open bracket, I can select these 4 lines, close the bracket, and I've got the sum, the grand total of my shopping for the week. It's not a balanced diet, but it will do. You can do many, many other things. You could maybe split these into sections so that you've got fruit and you've got meat and you've got other things. But anyway, that's the basics of using a spreadsheet to add things up. Please just remember, you don't type these numbers in. These numbers in column D, and I'm going to make them a different color just to make it clear. The numbers in column D are formulae. Okay, B4 times C4, B5 times C5, and so on. Well, have an absolutely wonderful day. I hope you've enjoyed this little demonstration, and I'll see you on the other side, as they say.